I am Dr. Poonam Patil, medical oncologist from Manipal Hospital, Old Airport Road, Bangalore. The commonest cancer in women is breast cancer, and as age increases, the incidence of breast cancer also increases. So it's often a dilemma that how do I come to know that I am having breast cancer? So the key point is early detection. And how does one detect early? You are your own doctor. Be aware of how your breasts look, how your breasts feel, and you should examine them regularly, at least once in a month, to see the changes that occur in your breast with time. You can look at yourself in the mirror, see if there is any difference in the shape or size between both the breasts. See if any breast is unduly elevated or unduly hanging down. The one that is unduly elevated compared to the other one, or whatever your normal breast look like, then that breast requires a little more detailed examination. Bend down and see if both the breasts are falling down equally or not. If there is one which is not falling down compared to the other one, then that breast requires a little detailed examination. Keep your hand on your waist, lift your hands up, and then see if there is any difference in the breasts. See if there is any spontaneous nipple discharge. Just press the nipple gently and see if there is a discharge. Especially a spontaneous blood-stained nipple discharge requires attention. So this is what we call inspection. Inspection is just looking into the mirror and looking at the breasts. Then next comes palpation. So palpation is examining one's own breast by the fingers. So these four fingers, the finger pads, they are the most sensitive parts of the body, and with this we do breast self-examination. So see if you have looked at the shape of the breast. Now you are feeling if there is any difference in both the breasts, if there is any lump felt, if there is any depression that you saw on examination, on inspection, confirm that by palpation. So whatever change you saw in inspection, the same thing should be seen or confirmed by examining the breast by your four fingers. The breast is not what you really just see as a breast. The breast tissue starts from below the clavicle, that is the collarbone. In the middle, it is near the sternum, that is the breastbone, what we call. Down, it is till the fold where it joins the abdominal wall, and on the side, it is till the underarms. So when we say breast examination or breast inspection, the entire region should be covered.